Home Remedies presents How to use papaya leaves to treat ailments. There are different ways to use papaya leaves to cure different ailments, as was brought forward to you in my last video. If you haven't watched it, please find the link in the description of this video or pinned post. The juice or pulp made from papaya plant doesn't only subside the symptoms of the ailment, but also helps to cure it from the core. Here are some ways you can use papaya leaves as per your comfort. Mainly, I will share with you two methods. One can be prepared instantly and the second one can be prepared and stored for ease of use. Sliced pieces of oranges, if boiled with papaya leaves, helps to burn fat. The open sores and wounds could be healed by the juice from the ground papaya leaves. After washing the face, apply juice of ground papaya leaves, which helps to cure eczema. Menstrual cramps could be lowered by the daily intake of 2 glasses of papaya leaf tea. Its potent healing properties balance hormones and regulate menstruation cycle. You can try this concoction to treat your menstrual pain. Take 1 papaya leaf, a pinch of salt and tamarind. Mix them all in a glass of water and bring it to boil. This juice should ease your pain greatly. How to make instant papaya juice tea at home. Ingredients: 5 fresh papaya leaves. If fresh leaves are not available, you can use dried, cut or powdered leaves. 1 teaspoon. 1 cup water. Method: wash papaya leaves thoroughly and chop into tiny bits. Boil water and add the leaves. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the juice. Since it is bitter in taste, give some honey or jaggery to the patient immediately after consuming the juice. How to prepare papaya leaf extract. Wash 7 medium-sized papaya leaves. Cut them up roughly and place them in a saucepan with 2 liters of water. Heat the leaves in the water until it boils and then reduce the heat right down to a mild simmer for 2 hours. By this time, the liquid should be reduced by half. Allow it to cool. Remove the papaya leaves. Strain the liquid. Storage. This homemade papaya leaf extract can be kept in the fridge in a covered glass or ceramic container, not plastic, and should last for several days, though it is recommended to discard if it becomes cloudy. Dosage. The dosage for adults is 30 ml and for kids is 5 to 10 ml twice a day before meal. Papaya leaf tea. Side effects. Due to the papain in papaya leaf tea, some people might get allergic reactions. The allergic reactions such as itchy eyes and runny nose might be experienced. The excessive consumption of papaya leaf tea leads to laxative effects. It is recommended that one should not exceed 5 to 6 cups of tea. Headache, insomnia, vomiting, irregular heartbeat, dizziness and loss of appetite are the other symptoms which might be experienced. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.